Oh, look at that. A book. That's a Bible. It's a Bible book. There's more books in there. You get the other books out? Is it stuck? What's that book about? What's that book about, Daniel? Is that book about Toot Toot? Look. Toot Toot. It's a little train.
And that's another Bible.
A Bible.
There's another card.
Angels.
You want to open your card?
And there's Noah's Ark.
Do you see? Hey, Daniel, do you see Noah?
There's Noah's Ark. You have another pretty card.
Then
Oh.
you may not be old enough to get that yet.
What's on your card?
Or maybe too old. I don't know.
Isn't that pretty?
Does it say happy to you? It has poo on it.
Is it not opening? Here it is.
That says happy birthday.
Uncle Larry and Aunt Brenda.
More.